Kira was born on the streets of Tijuana and found in a trash can. She was rescued by a local animal shelter that nursed her back to health. When we adopted her in June of 2020, she was about 3 months old and still very tiny. Our family was lonely as we are still in the early months of the COVID-19 pandemic and were staying inside to stay safe. Kira was initially very shy, but we quickly realized she had a lot of energy.
Gentle girl.
We would take her for walks in the morning and evenings to get her energy out. As a street dog, she had some bad habits of jumping on people and biting really hard.
Off, Kira!
The kids got scared of her, and we had to work with her for months to minimize the bad behavior. After about a year, we started running with Kira to get her energy out. This really helped her, and she loves to run on trails chasing rabbits and birds. This is what led to her YouTube channel, California and Kira. We hope her positive energy and the beautiful views will inspire you with every video. Thanks for watching.